Good morning. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. I am here at Epping Forest Yacht Center, and this is an after video for J J Lorick. Before I show you the after video, real quick, I'm going to go ahead and catalog your zincs. You have two R3 trim tab zincs. You have one bolt oval transom zinc. I'll get the specific number that it is in the field notes. You have one R4 rudder zinc and one 1 3/4 inch shaft zinc. Both the stern thruster and the bow thruster appear to be too small to require a zinc. I will get those on video just to confirm. So let's go ahead and look at the cleaning. Thank you for choosing GS Dive.